to all viewers. Dubai is a vibrant city known for its modern architecture, luxurious shopping, and lively nightlife. The city boasts the iconic Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, offering breathtaking views of the skyline. From the bustling markets of the Gold Souk to the man-made Palm Jumeirah Island, Dubai offers a mix of traditional charm and futuristic attractions. Explore the desert safaris, indulge in delicious cuisine, and experience the warm hospitality of this cosmopolitan city in the United Arab Emirates. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures, where traditional values blend seamlessly with modern innovations. The city's diverse attractions cater to all interests, whether you're seeking adventure in the dunes or relaxation on pristine beaches. With world-class shopping malls, entertainment parks, and a thriving arts scene, Dubai has something for everyone. So, immerse yourself in the beauty and excitement of Dubai and create unforgettable memories in this dynamic city. Jumeirah Beach is a pristine stretch of white sand lapped by the turquoise waters of the Arabian Gulf. This popular beach destination in Dubai offers a perfect blend of relaxation and recreation. Visitors can soak up the sun, enjoy water sports activities, or take a leisurely stroll along the picturesque coastline. With stunning views of the iconic Burj Al Arab Hotel in the backdrop, Jumeirah Beach is a must-visit for those seeking tranquility and beauty in Dubai. Dubai Mall is not just a shopping destination but a world-class entertainment and leisure complex. Spanning over 1.1 million square meters, it is one of the largest malls globally, housing over 1,200 retail outlets, 150 dining options, an indoor theme park, an ice rink, and a massive aquarium. With a mix of retail therapy and entertainment, Dubai Mall offers an unforgettable shopping experience for all. The Dubai Desert is a vast expanse of golden sand dunes that offer a unique outdoor experience. Visitors can embark on desert safaris to enjoy dune bashing, camel riding, sandboarding, and traditional Bedouin-style camping under the starlit sky. The desert landscape provides a serene backdrop for watching mesmerizing sunsets and experiencing the rich Emirati culture through desert performances and authentic cuisine. A trip to the Dubai desert promises an adventurous and unforgettable Arabian adventure. Dubai is renowned for its well-maintained road network that offers smooth and efficient transportation throughout the city. The wide highways, modern infrastructure, and iconic landmarks along the roads make driving in Dubai a pleasant experience. From the bustling Sheikh Zayed Road, with its towering skyscrapers, to the scenic Dubai Water Canal, the city's roads showcase a perfect blend of urban development and architectural marvels. Navigating through Dubai's roads allows you to witness the city's progress while enjoying a comfortable and convenient travel experience. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, exploration, or simply want to immerse yourself in a vibrant cosmopolitan atmosphere, Dubai has it all. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore a city that promises excitement, luxury, and endless possibilities. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Your support means the world to us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more captivating adventures. Thank you for being a part of our journey.